Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics fast. Make sure the HomePod shows a steady white light and is plugged into power. Check that your iPhone or iPad is on the same Wi-Fi network and that Bluetooth is enabled, because pairing and control depend on both. Open the Home app and find the HomePod tile, note its status or any alert text. Once done, you'll have the information you need to proceed. This saves time and avoids repeated restarts later. Next, address network and firmware, because many unresponsiveness issues are network-related. Restart your Wi-Fi router and wait 30 to 60 seconds before reconnecting devices. This clears IP conflicts. Force restart the HomePod by unplugging it for 10 seconds, replugging, then holding the top until the white light appears. This triggers a hardware reset without erasing settings. Make sure your iPhone has the latest iOS and check the Home app for a HomePod firmware update. Updates fix many hidden bugs. To finish, perform a factory reset if earlier steps fail, because a clean start often resolves persistent faults. You can reset from the Home app by removing the accessory or use the physical reset sequence. Unplug, plug in, hold the top until the light turns red and cycles. After reset, re-add the HomePod in the Home app, choose the correct room and preferences, and test Siri. If it still won't respond, try another iOS device to isolate the issue. If errors persist, contact Apple support with the error details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.